Right, I just arrived in San Pablo City and I'm excited to serve Ovia Land, and this is a leadership course for the entire organization. So join me.
Number one, to make sure that we are aligned.
So, tanggalin natin yung manager's hat, wear natin yung learner's hat. So, okay ba yun? What we just did is to make sure that we are clear that the initial agreement in terms of objective is still matched to what they want to happen today. At the same time, other things that they want to add so that this whole day will just be a great day serving them as a leader, serving the owners, serving the participants.
How many of you are happy and excited to be here today? When you're growing, you're expanding, you're getting better, you're serving your company, and in return, your company will serve you back. Kaya wamigat man loob ko kasi meron kang dinadala, kasi meron kang dinidilay na tao. Ayun, sige, learning.
What I just did was to lay down the foundation, what's in it for them. We're getting out the expectations. So they're sharing their expectation, kung ano mangyayari, ano gusto mangyari. And I will design the entire day in their training, in their seminar, their workshop, based on what they want as their expectation. So this one, they're meeting as many people as again, declaring, yes, I want to be a leader. And number two, what is it that I want to learn from Russ while he's here?
To the rest of the organization to still prioritize their family without sacrificing the quality of work that we do.
So simple na yun, naging prayer inhale. Start coming into the office to work at home with clear heart set.
Pilipinas, Ovilan, game ka na ba? 1 minute starts now! Go! And stand beside your body. 3.
Are not consistent. Some are further away. This one. Tapos may mga masiksik.
So I checked in with the leaders just to make sure that are they aligned with what they want with their people, because I'm asking them not to lead because this is a leadership course. And a lot of times leaders will always take lead. And how will their people become leaders if they're always there for them? So right now the non-leaders are working on their own, learning how to lead and leading people, and the leaders are just watching. And hopefully this becomes now a culture wherein people are empowered to step to leadership because the leaders are empowering them, no longer command and control her.
Quick feedback, right? I noticed some of you are not that confident to speak out loud. Agree or disagree? Thank you. And that is where leadership starts. How can you motivate, inspire, or influence others when you cannot even motivate and inspire yourself to do something basic? Which is what tourists are.
Right now, they're in a diet position, meaning magkaharap sila, nagkukwentuhan. But this is what we call SLE, structured learning experience, because the first goal that they want is self-confidence. So self-confidence starts with physical manifestation on how you carry yourself, facial expression, the eye contact, and it's a practice that they want to experience with their partner. The most important part of the diet here is the partner who's listening will give them a feedback later on how they are in terms of their confidence, how they are in terms of their facial expression, but above all their eye contact and their posture. And that is where people experience themselves in a different way, and maybe, hopefully, they'll be more confident.
Self-confidence starts with acknowledging your strength and weaknesses within you.
You share yourself with other people. You show up to the world. Like right now, di ba? Are you proud that si Judy nag-raise ng hand? Nag-show up to the world? Nabawasan ba ang pagkatao mo dahil nag-share ka ng sarili sa mundo?
Ipo.
Kung nagkakagat,
Nadagdagat.
you notice that. Because in the end, what's holding us back are maybe our past traumas, past pain, past experiences that up until now it's stopping us from expressing who we truly are, simply because maybe we did not recognize. Right now, what we're trying to do is just releasing it.
So what I noticed in this group, na no matter how much I urge them, influence them to share and open up, it seems like it's not available. And I realize a lot of people are not opening up, not sharing, simply because maybe they carry a lot of resentment that's stopping them from being real, being honest. So right now, the exercise is just allowing them to just deep dive by recognizing what's real, but by them talking about it, it's also releasing energetically. And we will see if they get better in opening up and sharing themselves by this exercise. Let's watch later.
Go ahead. Go to those people who believe in you, who supported you, who love you, and thank them and let them feel that they are well supported and loved.
Very tough. So right now, we allow them to advise, to protect, and really see how powerful it is. Just open your heart, release all the baggages, and we now start to take out all the things that's holding them back. Where are the resentment? By releasing it, recognizing it, and then turning it into a blessing. So what's happened? At this point, I'm asking them to write what will they be doing on a consistent manner to support them sustain the learning. Now, again, useless all the training, not unless there is a structure for accountability purposes so that they can really practice what they've learned as a small group. So it becomes now a culture of just supporting one another, but making sure that the learning here becomes real. Because why? We'll be checking in once a week. We'll be checking in every month to make sure everyone is supporting one another and everyone is committed to what they have learned and put it into practice. So I'm done with my day, and wow, it's amazing, and it just feels so fulfilling simply because I've learned so much about myself, about my leadership, and me being a coach and a facilitator, that it's about just respecting and trusting where people are at, that knowing that people are doing the best way they know how to support themselves, and it's just a satisfying knowledge that I know I gave my best and the participants gave their best. And that's something that I would bring home today as I journey again to my next level of leadership. No? So for you there watching, I'm just happy and excited to serve you in making sure that we understand how do we manage and lead the new type of generation right now, or the new workforce that's going on right now, especially right now we're in new type of leadership that needs to arise. That's one that is no longer about command and control or quick fixes, but it's all about wholeness, being able to see people, that it's about understanding, instilling growth mindset, clear heart set. Health set is another important thing. We want to support our teammates, our employees, and business set or leader set, that they are now engaged with new type of doing this. So they are now upgraded with their knowledge, their skills, with their experience to create the business that you want. But the most very important is being able to embrace soul set, meaning everyone must have a spiritual practice to support you, to support themselves, to grow themselves, create the best possible life.